What's up, Involvers? This is Bobby from Involve Me, and today we will have a look at how you can rename your organization in Involve Me. Let's jump right in. I'm back. Let's head on over to the Involve Me app. To rename your organization, you will have to go to the top right corner of your screen where it says your name. And when you click on your name, there's going to be a drop-down menu, and you will have to select the first option there, which is Change Organization. And it will take you to this lovely looking page. And here you will need to press on the pencil edit icon, and this pop-up screen will appear. Now, here you have two options.
The first one is internal for your account, and the second one is external for your URL.
The first option is that you can change the name of your organization. So I will just change mine to Bobby's. However, this function doesn't rename your domain. Your second option is to change the default domain. In order to do that, you will need to first go to Organization URL Snippet. And I will just change this to Bobby's as well. And now it has changed the default domains as well.
It's also important to note that the warning message at the bottom of the screen tells you that changing the URL of your organization will also alter all existing URLs. So just keep that in mind when you're doing this.
And then just click on I understand, proceed, and voila! That's how simple it is. So now when you publish a project, your fancy new domain name will show up in the URL. That was it for today's video. Let us know in the comments down below if you have any further questions or comments. And as always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was helpful, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching, bye! Have any further comments? The day